Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 4.1. Evaluate the following determinants. There are two subdivisions. Let's take up the first one. This is a 3 cross 3 determinant. See, either you can expand along the row or you can expand along the column. In this case, I'm opting to evaluate along this direction mainly because there are two zeros, so evaluations makes it easier. So let's see how to do it. Minus 1 into, I'm going to perform 5 into 2, so I'm writing that 5 into 20 minus of 0 into anything is going to be 0. Plus, now if you see, I'm going to expand along 0. So this side, whatever I multiply will become 0. Plus the next case also, I'm going to expand along this particular style of row. So this also is going to become 0. So easier evaluation. So this is minus 1 into 5 into 20 is 100. Minus 0 makes no sense here. So let's leave it that. So minus 1 into 100. So in the first case, the answer is minus 100. Now let's take up the second determinant. In this case, I'm going to expand along this column. So why? Because two of those elements are 0. So now let's start to evaluate here. So this is 2 into 3 into 7 because I have to do this cross multiplication first. Minus 0 into 60 is going to be 0. After that again it is plus 0 into whatever happens. We don't need to bother. Similarly, the last part 0 into anything. I'm expanding along this row. So now this is going to be 2 into 21. So the final answer is 42. In the next video, we will find the solution for the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.